Oh, I'm so excited for this group. I know I always am, but I'm really excited for this group. I wanted to bring color, and I wanted to bring it in such a way where it was just perfect. And I'm a big believer that when you have orange, you compare it with white, black, navy. All of those are really good, just depending on you and what you want to do. But a little bit of color goes a long way, and then to tone it down. I first started, this is a woven fabric. This is 100% viscose. But you can see the flowers, of course it's President's Day, you can see the flowers have all kinds of just really pretty oranges and reds in them. So to do a blouse and then slacks would just really be a way to go, or jacket, whatever. But anyway, so we start off with 100% viscose, and it's a woven fabric and just a beautiful piece of fabric. Keep in mind, because it's President's Day, for one day, just today, not even tomorrow, the fabrics are reduced a little bit. I did this as a knit. It's 100% viscose. It's got stretch in both directions. Very Italian looking, but again, you notice just the splashes of orange in there and how they pick up the orange in here. The background here is a navy, and so it just really is a beautiful combination and works really pretty against the solids. Then we have our two oranges, and these are, I think, the same color. You might see a little twinge of difference between the two colors, but certainly could be paired together. This is 100% cotton. It's a stretch woven. It has stretch in one direction, so great for, this would be your jacket, your pants, not a top, jacket or pants. This is 100% silk woven. Now it's interesting to me that this could also be jacket pants, just the drape is very different. This would need less direction. This would be great for a pleated pair of pants or a jacket where you just want that drape. This has less drape, this has more drape. 100% silk, woven, beautiful piece of fabric. Then I put this in because it goes with both of these oranges, and yet it also has in the other colors that I wanted. It has in, sorry about that, it has in black and just a little bit of white. And it's just a really beautiful color next to these oranges. I hope you can see that it just really blends beautifully. Just this is a cotton poly. It has a little bit of they're circles, they're kind of abstract circles all throughout, but you can see that drape is incredible, very beautiful. And this last one is just kind of a bonus. This is a cashmere silk blend. It is a beautiful piece of fabric. It is cheaper than it would normally be. It's normally, right at 100, and it's on sale today. Only beautiful black. Just, you could do anything with it. You can just feel that cashmere in there. It's just so soft and it's luscious. I don't have a lot of yardage, but it's just yummy, just yummy. Anyway, that's for today. It's President's Day. Happy President's Day, and happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.